beach. Woohoo! What's going on, Timothy?
We need to get the ball.
Come on, Spella. No, don't throw the ball out there. What's wrong, Spella?
Jimmy! Stella's used to it now. Whoa.
Jimmy, it's behind you. Silly dog.
Mouth full of seawater. Right, Jim? Nothing like a mouthful.
Sit. Jimmy, sit. 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 Jimmy, sit. Go get it. Go get it. There's been a chicken running around the RV park, and the lady that manages this place was like, "Is that chicken yours?" And we're like, "No." Very friendly, but a very weird looking chicken. We're gonna take it to my parents, see if they know what to do with it. Apparently it's a stray chicken, so. I don't know about this chicken place. I don't know about this chicken place. I think they undercooked this one.
Oh, what are you going to do with it?
Jimmy overdid it at the beach today, so we're taking him for a little walk to get it.
He's probably
worked out. Yeah.
Cactus plants. Oh, it's rotten.
There was probably like two.
There's Saya, grab it.
This one's good.
I think we got it all.
There's some.
What's that one there? Is that one
No,
right
there's
there?
no
Like a
left in the
foot?
back.
This one?
Yeah.
It's rotten.
No good? Oh, okay.
Zach, watch where you're swinging that thing. Good
There's
lord.
flies in it too.
Yeah. The birds and the squirrels get to them.
Did you really pull that one? You see anything else, Zach?
I think he's looking for somewhere.
Hmm?
He's looking for some bugs.
How you doing there, chicken? The chicken has found a tree to roost in for the night, so it ought to be safe from raccoons and other things. Might not be safe from a tree snake. So maybe it's found a home into this backyard.